A couple of days ago, I launched a special Amazon edition of one of my sticky presentations book, and it immediately became #1 bestseller on Amazon Kindle store. It was a surprise to me that it became a bestseller on the same day that it was launched. In one of the chapters in my book, I wrote about going green and why we shouldn't give away our presentation slides. So, stay with me and I will get into it really soon. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Sticky Presentations inspired by Sticky Spy, bringing you tips, ideas designed for better presentations, turning your ideas into lasting impressions. Hi, this is Tian Teck here. It's very common that many presenters give away their slides during their presentations, or sometimes after the presentation. Traditionally, a printed version of the slides are usually given away as handouts to the audience. Is this also what you always do? What do you do with the handout that you receive at a presentation session? Most of the time, this ended up in the trash bin. Do people actually read them or refer to them when they get home? You know, many of us like to collect things but never ever use them. I like to buy books but never read them. I bought lots of things that I never use. No wonder printed slides that we give out during presentations ended up in the bin. Your slides shouldn't be the document you hand out during your presentation sessions. If you have designed your presentation slides correctly, your printed slides will not be very useful to your audience without you presenting them. By the way, have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, do consider subscribing to this channel as it will encourage me to create more videos like this. And how about giving this video a like? Remember that when you design your slides for presentations, they would contain simple information that are easy to digest. You would likely use pictures, diagrams, keywords, charts, content that requires further elaboration by the presenter. Without the presenter, likely the content will not make sense to someone reading it without context. To fully understand the content in your slides, one needs to be there at the presentation session to experience it. One needs to watch and listen to the presenter. If you have to give the audience something to take away, it's best to prepare a presentation brief, a document formatted for reading with elaborated content. This will be something that the audience can read and fully understand. So go green, save the earth. Do not print your presentation slides as a takeaway document. If you would like to get a copy of my #1 Amazon bestseller book, check out the link in the description below. Until my next video, go green, don't print. Bye bye.